Hi everyone! Alam ko gloomy sa labas, but I know that the gloominess will only depend on how you allow your gloominess to affect you, no? The gloominess of the environment sa pag-apekto sa'yo. And pampagood vibes, I'm here in my office now at may nakalagay dun sa aming post na nagsabing work on your plans so that your plans will work out. 'Di ba? Parang buhay lang yan. Tama, Fort?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, Fortune is my business partner here, okay, in our company. And basically, the saying goes that work on your plans so your plans will work out. At totoo naman yan, di ba? Because kung wala kang plano, walang mangyayari.
Correct.
And if you don't plan on your life will take over and it can go to different directions, directions that you might not want. So, the plan doesn't have to be complicated, di ba, Fort?
Yes.
Hindi kailangan complicated, hindi kailangan sophisticado, kailangan lang ay pag-isipan ninyo ano ang gusto nyong direksyon, ano ang gusto ninyong gawin, at ano ang tingin nyong dapat yung gawin para matahak yung landas na gusto ninyo. Because otherwise, if you don't work on the plan, nothing will happen in your life. And guys, I think the pandemic showed us life is fleeting, life is short, so we have to make the most out of it. Correct, Fort?
Correct.
Okay, so happy weekend, happy Saturday, happy Sunday kahit maulan. Kung maliwanag ang araw sa puso at sa buhay ninyo, walang bagyo. Bye!
Bye.